Welcome to the Financial Bros YouTube channel. It's your boy Deuce.
Tony G in the building.
Tony G in the building was good.
Was really good.
Happy New Year.
2021.
Happy New Year to all our subscribers. If you ain't, or anybody just watching another Happy New Year, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So this video, this year 2021, yo, we gonna do big numbers in 2021. We gonna get everything popping. We all gonna make a lot of money this year. You know what I'm saying? 2020 was, you know what I'm saying, everything went down, but this year shit gonna change this year. And so this video, we gonna talk about some up and coming IPOs for 2021. You know what I'm saying? 2020 had some big boys that dropped. They had DoorDash, Airbnb, Snowflake. So you had some what else? Was Zoom IPO this year?
Nah,
Zoom been out. But yeah, so this year we're gonna talk about some of the ones that's coming up. So what's good, Tony?
Nothing much, another day, another dollar. Time to drop some knowledge.
Right. It's crazy, right, with the IPOs, like I wanted to jump in on Airbnb, but that shit came out the woodworks too high for me.
Yeah, I was just watching the video. I was watching the video and the dude was talking about it. He said IPO stand for something. He like initially priced overly or something like that. He said, man, that's the thing about these IPOs, man. People be so jumping in the hype, man. Man, I wouldn't invest in the company today because it's gonna be too high. It's gonna be even higher than the target price. Go ahead, let it die down a little bit and let them.
Right, because cause Airbnb, right? Airbnb. It just was like supposed to be $75. That just jumped out the woodworks like at $150.
Yeah, and then they all come down right. A couple of weeks after it died down, and so yeah, I'm not too big on having to own it as soon as it come out type thing. I let them release some of their earnings and
right.
like that.
Cause you jump on it early, you know, so it's all that hype behind it. You know what I'm saying? And everybody want to jump in. So go ahead, let's get the thing. What's one for you, Tony?
First one, I'm gonna say, man, I'm gonna go with Robinhood, man. This is the number one investing app in the world right now. They changed the game with the free trading the stocks. They were the first ones to do it with, so you could buy and sell stocks for free. All them other companies, yeah, they're more legit and they run it how they're supposed to be. But initially, they were, if you wanted to buy stocks or sell stocks, you had to pay. Now Robinhood, they do it for free. So Robinhood really changed the game, and they got a lot of errors going on, but I think with the help of investors, that they could clean that app up a lot and really look good moving forward.
Like honestly, if you look at it right, honestly, a lot of that troubles, the scandals and shit with Robinhood, a lot of that shit was old shit.
It wasn't. Yeah, a lot of it is old. And the thing with Robinhood, I think they could use more investors because one thing about Robinhood, they known for moving a little bit slower. Like I know when it's money, like when the stimulus came, Robinhood crashed. And I knew it was going to crash. When Tesla did the stock split, Robinhood crashed. And I knew it was going to crash. So it's like, me as an ordinary investor, if I'm knowing this stuff, that means y'all gotta fix y'all app and clean it up. And right. Also, with Robinhood, one of their failures is that, like, if you got a question, you can't call. They don't have a number to call.
Right.
You gotta email them or something. But like, if you got people out here with thousands and millions in the stocks. If I got questions about my money or what's going on, I got millions and thousands of dollars tied up. I'm not trying to email. I'm trying to call and speak to you directly.
So right. It shouldn't be as hard to get in contact with somebody.
Yeah. So I think Robinhood, they really, like, even one time, I think I told you before, Robinhood, I was trying to do something, do an option, and the app was messed up, and it cost me some bread. So they gave me like $70 towards it. But it's crazy because it cost me like, the mistake probably cost me a couple hundred, but the app was tripping. But I think they gave like all the users that day like $70 or something like that. But like, I just with the help of investors' money and more money towards the company, I think it will help it grow a lot. Because one thing I can say about Robinhood, like, it's not the best app, but it's the easiest to understand. So, and when you're a first-time investor, you need something easy. Like, you don't want to jump out there on these other apps and you don't know what you're doing. At least with Robinhood, they act like you can walk through it. Like,
I'm gonna tell you, Robinhood is, like I said, I got an E-Trade account for my son, and the Robinhood is way easier to understand compared to like on the E-Trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and they do the instant deposit. So a lot of
Right.
these other ones, if I deposit $500, they give me $500. Even though it ain't been cleared yet, they give me my $500 to invest on the spot. Them other ones, you gotta wait a week or two just for it
Yeah,
to
yo,
clear and go through.
I dropped $10,000 in my son account. That shit took mad long, you know, and I was thirsty because the more I waited, man, the price of the stock I wanted kept on going up.
Right.
Well, Robinhood, you put that joint in there, bam, you got a joint right away.
Right, and the one thing about and like they give you the money because they even Robinhood they don't take the money out until like probably
Couple
like six
days.
days. Yeah, so
Sometimes
like
you
you even
forget. Sometimes you even. I know for me, sometimes I be forgetting. Like, damn.
I did that joint a few times. Thinking like,
But I see somewhere it said Goldman Sachs has it underwriting for IPO. It might debut at around 20 billion for Robinhood. So
man, right?
I wonder how much that price going to be.
I don't know. It'd be hard to say because it's like
Yeah,
I would say some it got to be maybe like 130, 140, maybe.
you already know. But one thing you know about that one, that one's going. Everybody and mother going to jump on that joint. So you already know that
And
shit
like I said, I
overpriced.
wouldn't jump on it out the gate. But like for me, it's like I use Robinhood, so why not invest? Why not throw a couple dollars in Robinhood? I mean I use the ad. So why not help it grow? So
All right, what's another one?
another one, I'm gonna go with Roblox, man. That game is
Roblox.
like a lot of the kids I see, man, they all playing Roblox. They but asking their parents, "Can you buy me some Robux? Buy me some Robux. Buy me some Robux." And just like man, they like man that these type of games, like you paying for you got the game in itself, but you can make so much money within the game, and it's
Right.
just companies like that, Roblox, Fortnite, like them type of companies or games, where though like it used to be you just buy the game and that was it. Now it's like you get the game, but you gonna continually add money into the
Right.
game.
You get like with Fortnite, you get the game for free, and you spend a hell of money on the game. Like I swear, like between both of my kids, dude just spent over $1,000 in that game,
Right.
and that's easily,
And
and that's easily. I'm probably even spent more money than that.
man, you got kids, they be taking their parents' credit cards and all that joint, man. They definitely getting that money.
Right. Roblox is definitely good. All the kids love Roblox. You go on YouTube, it's channels committed just to Roblox videos, and they doing numbers. So yeah, Roblox is definitely one that's going. There's gonna be everybody gonna be on the lookout for that when that drop.
Right.
Maybe another one.
And another one I'm gonna go with, I don't know if you heard of it, but I'm gonna go. It's this company called Bumble. It's a dating app. It's supposed
Oh,
to be
I see it right here.
a dating app for professionals. See, during this pandemic, man, it's no more going to bars, no more going to clubs. You know, everybody looking for love. Like
Right.
you got the Tinder, but everybody knows Tinder for freaking off. But
Right.
like you got some people that's really looking for love out there.
Right.
And
Right. Right.
the Bumble app, from what I've been reading and what I was told, is really like for professionals. Really like the dating scene will probably never be the same. Like ain't no telling when you're gonna be able to really like meet a woman and take her out, and because
Right.
everywhere was public, so a lot of people is resorting to these apps. So it's like why not jump on an app that's for professionals, and it got some got a good team behind it from what I read. And
Right.
I think they got a value at like 8 billion already without
Right.
even. And then when they got the investors, you know that's gonna make the app even more better. And that's one thing everybody is always looking for love. Like
Right.
so, you know the app is going it's gonna be up there with Tinder, but it might be better than Tinder if you really like professional, really trying to find your soulmate. So it's like definitely a good company to invest in.
Right. Right. So we got those three. I got one. I'm looking at something, and I think this gonna be a good one. Instacart.
Oh yeah, Instacart definitely is.
Instacart, everybody, even though I'm saying we about to get the vaccine and everything, but a lot of people still like to let somebody else go shopping for
Right. It's easy. The pandemic made people so lazy, which is not really a bad thing if you're supposed to be at home. But yeah, they got the Instacart is where it's at, and I think they valued at like 14 billion or something crazy. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
so the money is there, and it's just like when you got the investors joining, it's gonna make the company even more better. So
like our buddy, you'll be getting money on Instacart. Like he'll be grinding out on Instacart for months now.
right.
So
Yeah,
that Instacart IPO is coming up around. So that's gonna be the big one, another big one too.
yeah,
So
and
we
I think like I want to say like 75% of all households they say use Instacart, which is crazy. Like say so you definitely want to invest in a company where 75% of households use, like that's a no brainer.
right, and people will keep on using like with this pandemic, like our normal ain't gonna be normal no more.
Right.
People gonna be like people got comfortable, you know what I'm saying, let somebody shop for them, you know what I'm saying? They probably think, why I gotta go out there
Right.
and waste my time shopping when I can just pay somebody to do it and I can be home doing something productive, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Instead of taking that time out your day to go out and about to go shopping, where you can just like, you know what, you can save your gas money, save your time, because time is money. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, can't get back your time no matter what. So you can
Exactly.
pay somebody else to go shopping for you while you at work and something, bam.
Right.
So we said uh
Robin Hood,
Robinhood,
uh,
Bumble,
Bumble, Roblox,
yeah, and
and
Instacart.
Instacart.
So they four top four you want to be looking out for. You know what I'm saying? Everybody gonna be hyping that up over when it's going to drop. So be on the lookout for those companies. Matter of fact, just you know what I'm saying, do some research. You know what I'm saying? If you want to jump in, and if y'all got any more IPOs that's big time that might coming up, or some low key ones that nobody don't know about that might do some numbers, drop it in the comment section, man. Don't forget,
Right.
subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, support Insured Brand, and keep on the lookout. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.